I'm going to show you how to use the BYCOL feature in Excel. I have a large listing of data, and this is the listing of B&Bs, Airbnbs in Toronto. Now it's only part of the list because it was extensive, and so let's search part of the list and let's use the BYCOL features. Okay, so what I'd like to do if I was looking for a place to stay is I'd like to, first of all, the number of people, so how many people can stay there, the bathrooms. Now, because there's a lot of text here, it says bath and 1.5 bath and 2 shared baths. It's not going to work out for statistics or averaging. But then we have the beds and the price. And so what we're going to do is we're going to, first of all, we're going to take an average of all of this. And so we're going to go equals and we're going to go BYCOL. And there it comes right up for you. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to select the data. So I don't want the first 2 columns. I want just the rest of them from C to F. And so I'm going to select from C to F, and then I'm going to go Control Shift down arrow to get to the bottom of my data. And then I'm going to put a comma in there. And then I'm going to start to type in lambda. And fortunately it comes up. And so then what we've defined our array as C2 to F8835. And now that's going to be our array, and so we're going to refer to it. So we're going to go array. And then we're going to go comma. And then we're going to go average, because that's what we want to figure out. And that comes up for us as well. And then we're going to type in array again. And then we're going to count up our brackets. And so I count 3. And so we're going to close 3 brackets at the end here. And then we're going to press enter. And then we go to the top so we can see it. And so we can see that the average is 3.12. We can't divide the bathrooms because of the text. There's an average of 1.7 beds, and the price is 172.17. So that is the average. So let's find out what the most expensive is. So let's do this again. Let's go equals column. Sorry, equals BYCOL. And once again, we're going to select our data. And so we're going to go from C until the bottom. So we're going to select the first couple of rows, and we're going to go Control Shift down arrow. And then we're going to put a comma in here. And then we're going to type in lambda. And then we are going to say we want to use the array. And we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to type max, because for the maximum. There we go. And then we're going to say array again. And then we're going to close all our brackets and press enter. And then we go back to the top where it is. So the maximum is 16 people. The number of beds is 11, wow, and the price is $9,999. So let's find out what the cheapest one is. So let's go equals BYCOL. And we're going to go select our data again. And then we're going to put a comma in here, and we're going to type lambda. And then we're going to do array. And we're going to do min. And then we're going to do bracket array. We'll close all our brackets. press enter. And let's go up and see. The minimum number of people that can stay is 1. The number of beds is minimum is 1, and the price is $12. That sounds like quite a deal. So this is a large set of data. There's almost 9,000 rows, and so this is very quick and easy to figure out what the columns average is, the minimum and the maximum. So that's how you use by column function. Please subscribe.